decades, one engine defined performance. Smooth, powerful, unmistakable. The Inline-Four. It powered some of the greatest motorcycles ever built, from the legendary Honda CB750 to machines like the Honda CB1300. But in 2026, something is changing, and it could mean the end of an entire era. The Inline-Four didn't just dominate motorcycles, it revolutionized them. When Honda introduced the Honda CB750 in 1969, everything changed. Before that, motorcycles were simpler, rougher. But the CB750 brought smooth power delivery, higher reliability, a completely new level of performance. It became the blueprint, and soon, every major Japanese manufacturer followed. By the 80s and 90s, inline-four engines were everywhere, from sport bikes to naked machines. Icons like Honda CB1300, Yamaha XJR1300, Kawasaki ZRX 1200 defined what a real motorcycle felt like. High revving, perfectly balanced, addictive. This was the golden era. But here's the truth. Inline-four engines are no longer ideal for the modern world. Stricter emissions regulations, noise restrictions, fuel efficiency demands. And compared to modern engine layouts, inline-fours are heavier, wider, harder to package, less efficient at lower RPM. Manufacturers began shifting toward parallel twins, V-twins, triple engines, not because they're more exciting, but because they make more sense today. And slowly, inline-fours started disappearing. First from entry-level bikes, then mid-range, and now even big-bore machines are at risk. Motorcycles like the Honda CB1100EX began to vanish, not because riders stopped loving them, but because they no longer fit the future. But not everything is gone. Some machines are still holding on. The Honda CB1300, the spirit of the Yamaha XJR1300. These are more than motorcycles. They are the last survivors of a dying breed. And once they're gone, there may be no going back. So maybe the real question isn't why inline-four engines are disappearing, but whether we're ready to let them go. Because in a world moving toward efficiency, silence, and electrification, we might be witnessing the end of one of the greatest engine designs ever created. And if you want to see what happens to the last real big-bore machines, you need to watch this next.